stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
Think about it, for the first time in 3 decades, the House just voted to pass sweeping tax reform bills. We just passed a bill that'll bring relief, simplicity, and fairness to Americans to every corner of this country.
But they're not telling you this bill's still going to get killed when it goes back to the Senate. You got Ron Johnson, you got Collins from Maine, you got Corker from Tennessee, you got McCain from Arizona, and Flaky Jeff Flake from Arizona. They're not going to pass this bill.
They're looking to cut a backroom deal. When you're reaching for the cranberry sauce, Republicans are going to be reaching for your pocketbooks to give handouts to multinational corporations.
Oh, like the Democrats don't give handouts to welfare, increase the welfare rolls. Just give free stuff to everybody. Both the Republicans and the Democrats have to go. I don't think we should have Republicans or Democrats. We just need to have smart people. This label really gets me. It's like we have a football team. Here's one football team, here's the other football team. It's all for the team. It's amazing. None of these guys do what's right for America. And Trump, the poor guy's out there, and he's trying to do what's right for America. He's trying to make a difference, trying to make America better. They come out today and say, oh, this tax cut they just came out with, which again has not been passed by the Senate, that's going to grow the economy to 3.7%. When I heard that from the jibber jabbers, I said, are you nuts? That's never going to happen. I hate it when they come out and lie like that. And they know it's not going to happen. This is crazy. Unbelievable. So the market is up 200 points. After it went down over 100 points yesterday, it's back up again 200 points. Because of this stupid tax bill. It's unbelievable. But you know what's beautiful about the bond market? It's never wrong about the economy. It's never wrong. As a matter of fact, Larry Kudlow lost his radio show on CNBC about, 5 years ago? Maybe more than that. 10 years now. Because he used to come out, remember Larry with the green sprouts and all the other stuff he used to talk about? You always, Goldilocks, thank you, Goldilocks. I mean, everything was always wonderful. There was never a bad day in the market. More people lost money watching that show. And they called in, they complained, finally they threw him off the air. And the one thing that he finally, where he kept making a mistake, he kept saying, don't listen to the bond market. Don't listen to the bond. Look at the stock market. The stock market knows the strength, the economy, knows the strength of the economy. That's nonsense. Nonsense. It's not true. The bond market knows what's going on. The bond market's never wrong. Yesterday was the 6th consecutive day where we had a down open, where we had losses. We haven't seen that in a year. That was something unbelievable. But the jibber jabbers come back out. You hear them. Oh, the global backdrop. We have a global economy. The global backdrop is stronger than ever. Again, what do you mean global backdrop? There's no global backdrop. It's what? Be honest with the people. It's one country, China. And if China stops buying their commodities, which they have, and why the market's been opening lower every morning, because once China stops buying their goods, all these individual countries tank. They make it sound like this global economy, all these individual countries are out there independently doing terrific. No, they're not. They depend on an order coming in from China. When orders don't come in anymore from China, as an aggregate, all these countries go down a tube. You love it. Then I love when they come out with these confidence reports. Confidence is high. The consumer's high. He's high, all right. Confidence is high. Consumer confidence so high, they keep telling us. Okay. But here's what they're really confident about, the consumer. If they really ask them the right question, they're confident they can't spend any money, even though their confidence is high, because they're broke. They're broke. I love it. Confidence is high, but they can't go spend any money. Oh, but we're going to get to 3.7% because of the tax cut. That's unbelievable. What are you, nuts? This is crazy.
So Walmart putting up another strong quarter.
Walmart earnings and revenue above expectations. The stock is up 4.5%.
Walmart is up 41% this year.
No, listen, I think it's a great sign. Wages are finally starting to pick up.
They're actually spending more now. And you get a very solid consumer. Folks are putting out their capital.
And the consumer net worth looks incredible at a record.
No, it's not. Because they're using their credit cards. Credit card debt is so huge, it's amazing. People are going out, they have no savings, so they're using their credit card. And the banks, the 1 percentile who make a fortune, they keep sending them credit card after credit card. Here, have another credit card. Oh, no, you listen to these guys. The jibber jabbers. Oh, no, they're really consuming. They're doing good. These poor people haven't even had a wage increase in 10 years. What are you, nuts? U.S. household debt has hit $13 trillion high. And what are they trying to sell us? Oh, the consumer. Listen.
So Walmart putting up another strong quarter.
Yeah.
Walmart earnings and revenue above expectations. The stock is up 4.5%.
Walmart is up 41% this year.
No, listen, I think it's a great sign. Wages are finally starting.
It's not wages. It's the debt that's up. It's unbelievable. Oh, and why? And why are their profits up? Why is the earnings up, rather? Well, same thing, earnings, profits. Because of stock buybacks. That's why. Stock buybacks. So here we got U.S. household debt hits a record high, and these guys come out and trying to tell us Walmart, because they're saying their business went up because the consumers are doing so well. They have such confidence. They're out spending. Yeah, they're spending all right. Debt. They don't buy stuff. They buy debt. Their last buyback, Walmart, was over $20 billion. That's why their earnings are going up. When you do a buyback, if you have 1 million shares outstanding, let's say they go buy, just for the purpose of teaching, 1 million shares outstanding. They go buy 500,000. So all of a sudden there's no more million out there. They're just 500,000. So when they take their earnings, they only have to spread them out over 500,000 shares instead of 1 million shares. So that means the earnings go up and push the stock up. If you put back the full million, it's over. I mean, if they didn't do that, they would have made the earnings would have gone anywhere. Millennials, confident? Are you nuts? 37 million of us living in their homes, for God's sakes, in their parents' house, in the attics, in the cellars. And millennials, they've never been they're so in debt. It's incredible. In fact, if Trump thinks he's going to grow this country to a 3.7% GDP because of this of the tax cut, what are you, nuts? You can't do that when you have household debt hitting 13 trillion. You got a national debt almost up to 21 trillion. You can't do that. You can't hit 3.7% when the millennials have more debt than anybody else. Do you understand? When the millennials have debt, they have so much debt. That's a huge risk for the economy. Unbelievable. Balance on home equity lines. Again, credit. $448 billion. People went out and borrowed on their home equity lines. $48 billion. That's debt. Oh, but boy, are they confident. They're confident they can get another credit card. That's why they're confident. Oh, yeah, I'll buy. Give me another credit card. I'm confident I'll go get 3 more credit cards in the mail. What are you, nuts? We'll be right back and make some money.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
So right now, we're doing is I told my gang we're going to slowly start buying gold and gold mining stocks. Please join the gang right now. 877-600-GANG. Why don't you try it? Very low risk, big rewards.
Don't wait. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Join Phil's Gang today and follow Phil on the gold stocks. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. What is Phil's Gang? philsgang.com is a subscription website service that host Phil Grandy has been teaching and providing daily stock investment recommendations for over 15 years, all in the name of making its customers educated investors and helping the kids at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. If you want to take charge of your financial future, then do not wait any longer. For only $49.95, become a Phil's Gang member today. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade, a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Phil Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
It's never too early to plan for the holidays, and this year, why not give the gift of comprehensive stock market investing knowledge with a Phil's Gang gift certificate? That's right. For only $39.95, you could give someone special on your holiday list the gift of the Phil's Gang membership. What a great idea. Giving someone complete access to all of Phil's material, including the daily live webinar class, alerts, Phil's recommendations, plus so much more. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today. Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at philsgang.com. We're offering the most powerful stock charts available on the market. The Max Vest 1000 charts. Now, the difference between these charts and all the other charts is this follows the money. Yes, it gives you a buy-sell signal. I know you're going to say, well, they all do. No, not true. The difference with the Max Vest is they follow the important money, the hedge funds, the biggest banks, the 401ks, the pension fund managers. That's the big difference. They're not following the emotion. That's what most charts do. They follow the money. That's what MaxVest does, follows the money. Check it out. Join my gang, philsgang.com. Oh, and the chart as low as $19.95 a month. For more information, just go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. We will see you on the charts.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264, 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil. The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 Stock Charts.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. We're going to try to make some money. If you remember, I said yesterday, why don't you join the gang and follow my new video, Gold. That's right, gold. Then I picked out one stock. It's looking really, really good. And it's on my chart, my color-coded chart. And I started a video on it last night. And we're going to continue with that video. It's looking really good. And so, please, this is a great opportunity for you to get in on the ground floor of this gold stock. It dropped over 38%, and what a beautiful opportunity. So there is what's nice is when they drop 38%, our risk reward is on our side. The one thing you always find in this industry, they always got you buying right before the market drops, right before a stock drops. They always get people to chase. Why? Because all these money managers, that's their job. That's their job, to get you into the market. They don't care where they put you. Because why? They're not tied to the market. Wouldn't it be nice if Trump passed a law, and I talked about this one time ago, a long time ago, and I said, why don't you get the law passed where let's make all these brokers, stockbrokers, and money advisors tie everything to performance. And then put a fiduciary law in. What good is it having a 401k when they can screw you? What good is it to have a 401k when it's the biggest skimming operation in the world? They skim $250 billion a day in commissions, and people don't even know it. They don't notice it. They know nothing about it. It's a skimming operation. It's a failed. 401ks are failing. They don't work. The expenses are too much. You can't make money with a 401k. Ridiculous. And anybody, I love these planners. How can these planners, I love these planners, these retirement planners. Don't you love them? You see all these commercials. Don't you love their commercials? Listen.
When I retire, I want to be able to sit back and enjoy life. With the help of the bank, I'll be able to. So, from enjoying a day of golf to contemplating life, they'll help me get the retirement I want.
Are you kidding?
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
I love these commercials. Listen, here's another one.
Goldman Sachs. Our clients' interests always come first.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
I just love this. So, these people don't care about you because they don't get paid on what returns they get for you. They don't. So what the hell do they care? Their paycheck is not tied to success. Their paycheck is tied to failure. They fail and they get paid. And people keep signing up for these stupid programs for retirement. If retirement, these guys were so smart to answer this question. Why are Americans $6.6 trillion short of what they need to retire comfortably? You know why they don't call retirement a national crisis? They don't want to bring attention to it. That's why. Just like student loans. That's not a national crisis? Retirement's not a national crisis? What are you, nuts? Let's take a look at some stocks. All right, first of all, the stock market. Don't chase the market because it's going up, because I love the market. They love any excuse to push the market up. Oh, the tax cut, the tax cut. I'm telling you right now, at the end of the day, I'm going to watch, and I'm doing this for my gang, that I'll bet you that the down volume yesterday, when the market sold off, is more down volume than buy volume today, meaning there's more people interested, more institutions interested in selling the market than buying it. These are the things that I look at for you when you're a gang member. Let's join the gang, and why don't you, we got a 38% discount on this wonderful gold stock. It's got so little risk, so much opportunity. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. I do a new video every night. And so if you're busy, if you're a truck driver, if you're a mason, a carpenter, whatever, hard-working people, you're a technician for air conditioning and heating, people who make this country, the backbone of this country. This is an opportunity, because you haven't got to do a darn thing. Just go to your mobile device and say, okay, what is Phil's gang doing with this stock? Are they adding to it? Are they getting out of it? You know in the video. So easy. Look, the stock market right now, the bank stocks always have to move the market up. And the bank stocks today are not doing anything. I love it. The bank stocks aren't going up. Here's the beautiful thing. We shorted the oils, because I told my gang when oil's at $57, I said, that's the resistance. They're not breaking through. It's going to start putting. Now, remember, we've already had big profits in oil, and especially all our oil refiners, 18%, 20%. So I said, let's start taking our profits, because oil can't get above $57. It's going to start pulling back towards $55. It did, and then everybody started to sell their oil stocks. But we were already in there to short them. Then I said, when you start shorting them, let's just go in with a small amount of shares, because they're going to snap them right back up in our face. Okay? But don't get nervous. Those are called snapbacks. And sure enough, today they started to snap it back up. They couldn't even, while the market was up 200 points, they couldn't move up the oils. They couldn't move up the oils. So that means the oils were weaker than this market today. So there's another opportunity, oils, but you got to short those. The simplest thing for you to start out with is just start with this gold stock, one stock. Follow me every night on the video. So easy, so simple for you to do. And then once you start having fun with it and you're making some money, then you can expand. Here's the number, 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call right now to join my gang. We'll be right back.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
So right now, we're doing is, I told my gang, we're going to slowly start buying gold and gold mining stocks. Please join the gang right now, 877-600-GANG. Why don't you try it? Very low risk, big rewards.
Don't wait. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Join Phil's Gang today and follow Phil on the gold stocks. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. What is Phil's Gang? philsgang.com is a subscription website service that host Phil Grandy has been teaching and providing daily stock investment recommendations for over 15 years, all in the name of making its customers educated investors and helping the kids at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. If you want to take charge of your financial future, then do not wait any longer. For only $49.95, become a Phil's Gang member today. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month? philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com, philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang radio show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. I got to run this tape again. Let's run this clip one more time. Walmart. Now, why don't you listen to Walmart?
So Walmart putting up another strong quarter.
Walmart earnings and revenue above expectations. The stock is up 4.5%.
Oh, Walmart's up.
So Walmart putting up another strong quarter.
Another strong quarter.
So Walmart putting up another strong.
Bringing up another strong quarter. Bringing up another strong quarter. Unbelievable. What are you, nuts? But here's what she doesn't tell you. You know how they got that Walmart to go up another quarter? What did she say? Goes up another strong quarter. I can't do that. Let me try that again.
So Walmart putting up another strong.
Walmart brings up another strong quarter. Usually I can imitate these dopes.
So Walmart putting up another strong.
We'll stop with that. Anyways.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.
It's unbelievable. You know how it went up? Because Walmart, to get that quarter, bought $20 billion of their own shares. They go to the Federal Reserve, they get money for almost nothing, and they buy the 20 billion in shares. That's why it goes up. They don't tell you that. Apple. The last quarter, Apple went up. Guess what? How did it go up? 52 billion. They go to the Federal Reserve and borrow the money. 52 billion they put in, buy their own shares back. So you got 52 billion for Apple, 20 billion for Walmart. GE bought 22 billion. 22 billion. McDonald's, 12 billion. Every time they're ready to get their quarter, they fudge it. It's unbelievable. I mean, this is profits without performance. So what do? All you got to know is when you buy the stock, when you get out. You think your planners are going to tell you to get out? They're not going to tell you to get out. They'll never tell you to get out because they make money when you go in. They don't make money by getting you out. And when your stock starts dropping and you're caught, they keep telling you buy more of it. Cost average down because they're not going to tell you to get out. Matter of fact, you don't even know what's going on in your 401k. You don't even know what stocks are in your 401k. You have no clue what's in your 401k. If we dug J.P. Morgan up, he'd second the motion. He has no clue what's in your 401k. 401k is the only product people will buy, know nothing about it, don't know anything about the value, they don't have a clue what they're buying. Don't know the cost. Most people think there's no cost when they get their 401k. It's all free. So let's talk about this, GE. Now, I told you I got a great opportunity, very low risk, high reward, just like remember our oil refiners. Let's just use an average of 18% return. Now, don't come in because I said 18% return. I can't guarantee we're going to get 18% on gold. I don't know that. But my point is we got the 18% and we held on to it. Because when it was time to get out, it told us it was time to get out. The color started to change on our chart. Money was moving out. We moved out. So we're not sitting there and also one day it drops. You know nothing about it. Then you call your broker. How are we doing? No, don't get out. Stay in. Enjoy life.
You're fine. You don't pay attention to the value of your house every day. Don't pay attention to your portfolio.
No, don't pay attention to nothing. Yeah, don't pay attention to nothing. Stupid. All you want, this is a beautiful market. All they want to do is manipulate to keep going up with these stock buybacks. Now, here's what's interesting. Remember the other day, Cohen was at a meeting, right? All the big executives, Fortune 500 companies, and they're asking, well, we're going to give you these tax breaks. You're going to start plowing all your money, all that money you're saving on taxes. You're going to plow it back into your company, right? So wages will go up, right? Everybody raise their hand in the room.
Can I ask you all a quick question? If the tax reform bill goes through, do you plan to increase investment, your company's investment, capital investment? Just a show of hands, the tax reform goes through?
Why aren't the other hands up?
Like 5 hands out of 25 went up. But it gets worse. They're not going to put their money in their companies. We're being lied to.
I don't think that in this part of the cycle that companies are going to invest just because they have more money. Well, the analysis is not quite clear that the companies are going to spend money if they get the tax cuts, the corporate tax cut. And the current tax plan, the way I see it, is net neutral, and it's not going to help the economy. It just doesn't make sense. Why don't you just lower my tax rate and keep all the deductions the same? That would lower my taxes.
There you go. And then why don't we take and lower the payroll tax? Let's get rid of that payroll tax. Get rid of it totally. And why don't we give the savers their money back? They're stealing $540 billion a year from savers by keeping it. They give you 16 cents on every $100. They used to get $7 on every 100. Now they give you 16 cents because the difference between 16 cents and the $7, they take that difference. The government steals it from you. The Federal Reserve steals it from you. And that's how they're able to give Walmart money for almost near zero so they can get $52 billion or $20 billion to buy their own shares back for the quarter, to push the quarter up and say, oh, look at our quarter. Aren't we doing good? So they steal from the savers, the hard workers, the retirees. They steal from them, from their savings account, drop it from $7 on 100 to 16 cents so that Apple can go to the Federal Reserve, which is, by the way, it's not federal. It's no more federal than Federal Express. We have 4 banks, the largest banks in the United States, that control almost all of this darn thing, okay? And so Apple goes and gets $52 billion. GE gets $22 billion. McDonald's gets $12 billion because earnings are coming up. And then they come out and they say, well, look at the earnings. Boy, the economy's good. Why? Well, because the global economy's solid.
From a fundamental standpoint, I think the economy is on very solid ground. As we look ahead to 2018, I actually think growth may even be a bit better, or certainly as good as it was in 2017. I don't see worrisome,
we're not going to worry.
Worrisome concerns from an economic standpoint on the U.S. front, and of course the global backdrop is probably stronger than it's been at any point.
I'm going to buy more stock. The global I'm buying. Whoa. Do you believe these people?
And if people get this extra amount, so I've heard $1,000 a year, whatever, they're going to pay down their debt.
No, they're not. Let me tell you, the people with no money spend more money. The people that are wealthy, they don't spend any money. The very, very rich, the 1%, and the 1% of the 1%, they don't spend. They don't spend. They got everything they need. They take their money and put in a pile the rest of their money. Were you nuts? You really think a guy who's down and out and he gets $1,000, he's going to go buy opiates? That's why they made it a national disaster, national retirement, or national emergency. National emergency. Oh, but they're not going to call retirement a national emergency. They're not going to talk about your Social Security. That's not a national emergency. Are you kidding me? Today, we got the Social Security system paying out more benefits than they receive in payroll taxes, and they're not calling it a national emergency? But opiates are. Oh, I see opiates. They're all up there. Well, look at this. Opiates killing 175 people a year. Car crashes are killing 3,500 people a year. See, they don't want to bring attention to the Social Security. There is the crisis right there. What are you, nuts? It's unbelievable. So there's no growing crises in the and we got a retirement system that's going to put this country in bankruptcy, and we're being told today, oh, the tax cut, oh, wonderful, we're going to grow the economy 3.7%. You're not going to grow the economy 3.7% when the jobs that we are producing are stinky, lousy jobs, service jobs. They're not productive service jobs. If you have 70% of the jobs we produce are non-productive service jobs, you're not going to grow the economy at 3.7%. And you're not going to grow the economy, believe me, when they screw the savers from, again, they give them 16 cents instead of $7 on 100. But guess what they do with the banks? Oh, they take the banks and they give them all kinds of extra money for what they're saving, called reserves. Are you kidding? Record high corporate debt. We have record high student debt. We have record high household debt, credit card debt. Oh, but we're going to go to 3.7% because we got this tax cut. I wonder if it's going to cure fungus on my toe.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
So right now, we're doing is, I told my gang, we're going to slowly start buying gold and gold mining stocks. Please join the gang right now, 877-600-GANG. Why don't you try it? Very low risk, big rewards.
Don't wait. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Join Phil's Gang today and follow Phil on the gold stocks. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. What is Phil's Gang? philsgang.com is a subscription website service that host Phil Grandy has been teaching and providing daily stock investment recommendations for over 15 years, all in the name of making its customers educated investors and helping the kids at St. Jude's Children's Hospital. If you want to take charge of your financial future, then do not wait any longer. For only $49.95, become a Phil's Gang member today. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
So right now, we're doing is I told my gang we're going to slowly start buying gold and gold mining stocks. Please join the gang right now. 877-600-GANG. Why don't you try it? Very low risk, big rewards.
Don't wait. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Join Phil's Gang today and follow Phil on the gold stocks. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Did you miss today's Phil's Gang radio show with Phil Grandy? The archives are absolutely free, posted in audio and video formats. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com. Let me ask you, do you have a backup plan? Most of us have a financial backup plan. What if your backup plan doesn't work out? What if the market corrects 20, 30, 40%? At philsgang.com, they go to great lengths to develop stock market investing programs that match the needs of their customers. They are closely aligned with what the customer wants, and they have comprehensive educational investing programs that are tailored for beginners to experienced investors. philsgang.com provides daily live stock market webinars. They post up-to-the-minute market alerts, stock performances, and market analysis. For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com is making sure their customers have a financial backup plan by providing the investing tools and guidance that their customers seek. For more information, simply go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
So, what is love? Love is being independent. Love is dancing. At Shriners Hospital for Children, love is a new smile.
At Shriners Hospitals for Children, love is caring for a child regardless of the family's ability to pay. Learn how you can send your love to the rescue at lovetotherescue.org.
Phil Grandy is a career businessman who has also been an entrepreneur all his life. He has used his business skills to take companies on the abyss of bankruptcy and bringing them back to profitability. Phil has been honored by Inc. magazine for the 500 fastest growing privately held companies and has been recognized with a prestigious Entrepreneur of the Year award. From the real estate to gas and oil industries to the stock market, Phil Grandy has mastered his line of business from start to finish. And with a passion and desire to make you a profitable investor, only Phil teaches you and guides you to make informed, unemotional investment decisions. And you'll gain the knowledge of what Wall Street doesn't want you to know. If you want to learn from the best and strengthen your ability to invest, then turn to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com. Simply call Phil's Gang at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com.
I would remind him and all the other Democrats who have been denouncing this decision on the Senate Finance Committee that the individual mandate is a tax, according not to me, not to Republicans, but to the Obama administration. In 2012, they argued to the Supreme Court that the Obamacare mandate is a tax, and the Supreme Court in 2012 upheld it as a tax.
It very much is middle-income tax relief.
All right. So the Democrats are upset that they can't keep the mandate, where if you were a young guy and you don't want to buy Obamacare, where you're going to support putting people on Obamacare for free. All right. See, they're going to force you to buy health insurance when you're 18 years old, you're 22 years old. They're forcing you. And if you don't, right, we know the deal, they're going to tax you. And the Republicans say, we're going to take that out. And of course, the communists, the communists in the Democratic Party, Obama, who led it, said, no, let's take all the young kids and screw them. Let them pay for the older people. Wait a minute. It's the older people, the older generation are screwing the young people. Are you kidding? They're punishing the young people. The baby boomers are punishing the young people. The high national debt was created by the baby boomers, and the young kids, the millennials, say they're screwed. They can't get a good job because of the baby boomers. Baby boomers were selfish. Baby boomers wanted everything now. They wanted a new house. They wanted a Jeep with big wheels. They wanted to get a pit bull with a chain and put him on the back and go get some chub and go fishing and have his dog barking while he's out there fishing, whatever the hell they do. Are you kidding me? Now here they are ready to retire. They have no money. You talk about health care? We're going to get to 3.7% because of this tax cut? When we have a health care system that is so broken that these morons who control the House, the Senate, and the White House don't even have the power to get rid of a mandate? This is the United States. You don't mandate anybody to buy furniture. You don't mandate anybody to buy a toothbrush. Oh, but we're going to mandate you to buy insurance? That's communism. And the House, are you kidding? The Republicans control 3 branches of government. They can't stop this? My Lord. Think about it. Oh, but wait a minute. They're not going to take away the windfall profits for the greedy corporations, for the insurance companies, for the pharmaceutical companies who are making a fortune because these cockroaches in the Congress are getting paid. So we're going to take care of all your campaign. Here's a big campaign contribution. Make sure that we keep this mandate in there. And screw all the young kids. Are you kidding me? Healthcare expenses are the number one reason why people are filing for bankruptcy. What are you, nuts? Just like student loans. It's the only law in the land. Think about it. It's the only consumer goods that you can't put into bankruptcy. I mean, it's the only debt you can't put into bankruptcy because it's too profitable for the United States government. They make $80 billion a year on student loans, screwing the young kids there again. This is unbelievable. The young generation is getting screwed. The older generation is shifting everything over to the young generation. They're going to be paying for the national debt. They pay for everything, which means they can't get a good job. That's why, because the national debt's so high. And we still have the banks that are still too big to fail. Are you kidding? The 4 U.S. banks, Citi, J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, they have 22% of all deposits in the FDIC that was insured on the day that Obama took over. When he left office, now it's 40%. Are you nuts? And Trump says he's going to grow the economy from 2% to 3.7%. Are you kidding? When we're putting we're putting an increase. Think about this. We're taking all the financial power on Wall Street and putting it into a few hands, a few elitist bankers, which there's the swamp. That's the swamp he should be taken care of because we can't grow our economy. So we have too few people on Wall Street control the banks, control the power. And where does he bring them to? The White House. Cohen. Are you kidding? Mnuchin, Treasury Secretary, he's filling up the swamp, not unloading the swamp. He's filling the swamp up with these guys from Wall Street who don't give a damn about us. We got to get rid of the swamp, drain the swamp on Wall Street. These are swamp monsters. These guys from Goldman Sachs, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, they're swamp monsters. They're more dangerous than ISIS. These are the most ugliest, meanest people in the world, like Munchin. I saw Munchin the other day. You see him when he was standing there with his wife? Did you ever see Munchin? You know who he is. I mean, look at him. He's uglier than the back end of a mule. Did you see his wife? Gorgeous. Looked like the Playboy model or something. And I said to my Marta, I said, do you really think she married him for his looks? He's one ugly guy. How'd I get onto that? Okay. Anyways, look, tonight, please, I'm going to take GE, and I got this one gold. Okay, we're just starting to work on it, and I'll be doing a video on both those every night. GE dropped by what, 48%, I think. GE dropped like 48%. And my gold mining stock dropped like 38%. That's when you buy them. So we're going to get in these very slow, very little risk, a lot of reward. And so start tonight. It won't take you 2 minutes. If you're a truck driver going from the East Coast to the West Coast, if you're a mason, if you're a carpenter, roofer, plumber, this is how you're going to make some money. I don't have all the answers. But if you're a hard-working American, you think the government's going to take care of you? You think Social Security is going to take care of you? What are you, nuts? God, my voice is going up like this girl. Where is she? Is this the
Most of the data
No, that's not
from
her.
a fundamental.
No, anyways.
So Walmart putting up another strong quarter.
There she is. That's starting to sound like her. Look.
So Walmart putting up another strong
quarter. Walmart's bringing up strong quarter. Listen, this is nuts. So please, listen. Social Security is not going to save you. They're not going to save you. Wall Street's not going to save you. Your 401k is not going to save you. You are going to save you. And I don't have all the answers, but I can. Why don't we just start out with an experiment? Why don't we just start out with one gold stock in GE? I do a video every night, explain to my gang what we're doing, and then all you do is get on your mobile device and you're out working, and you just check and say, all right, I wonder what they're doing with my gold stock or what they're doing with my GE stock. And we start out slow. Start out with 1 or 2 shares. That's all. Get involved. You got to get into the stock market. You got to get into the most crooked game in the world. The stock market. Are you kidding? This game, we got to hope to God they never fix this market. Because the next thing is coming is QE. This whole economy is going to collapse. It's going to collapse. It's a big bubble. But when it collapses, we're going to make money on the way down, and then Trump's going to come in. He's going to do QE. He's going to tell us the reason why he's doing QE. So he wants to raise wages. He wants to increase jobs. That's what they always tell us. They do the same thing in Japan. They've been telling the people in Japan for 30 years now, because they have a QE for 30 years, that they're going to keep raising. They're doing it because they're raising their wages and they're going to get jobs. Their wages still suck and they don't have any jobs, but they still keep doing QE. They're going to do the same thing here. What goes up with QE? Just like stock buybacks. What goes up? The market. All you want to know is when to get out of the market. That's all you want to know. Don't be, I'm going to get in bonds, and don't be this, I just want to hold on my principal. Just want to hold on my principal. I'll get into an annuity. What are you, nuts? An annuity? So here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Start tonight. Try it for 4 weeks. And then if you think this doesn't make sense to you at the end of 4 weeks, you can just leave. That's all. You can just leave. Okay? But you got to do something, haven't you? I mean, this I love this global backdrop. Everybody thinks this global. Everybody's buying into this global backdrop, and everybody's buying into this tax cut. It's so stupid. All right, here's the number, 877-600-GANG. Call now. They're waiting for your call. Follow me with GE and 1 gold stock. You'll love it.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams.
Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies.